The project looked at history on television, and it looked both at the production side of it, the industry side of it, the programmes themselves, and also we talked to historians about what they thought about the programmes and how they'd contributed to the programmes. Anne Gray, Professor of Cultural Studies, the Lincoln School of Media. Our findings really were that there were some quite strong themes coming through of what actually gets on television, particularly world wars, but also rather conventional ways of talking about the past and telling history. Also that there were absences. Women's history, black history, colonial history, and so on weren't actually represented. And there were very few women presenters for history programmes. We pointed this out very early on in our project and actually started to talk about this with the media producers, with the commissioning editors. And it's quite interesting that during the life of the project there have been many more women presenters. Now, I wouldn't claim that that's totally as a result of our project, but I think we started getting that into a public debate. Part of the impact of the research has been opening up, as it were, the world of university and scholarly research, academic research, to the media professionals, because they don't often get the opportunity to look at that work, to read it, to discuss it with academics. We also had an invitation to be part of a wider European project, which was looking at European history across many countries in Europe. That was based in Bologna in Italy. So we visited their workshops and symposia and presented papers about what we'd found about the state of history on television in the UK. And that became part of a bigger report, a bigger publication, which was actually presented to the European Union as this is an important kind of overview, really, of how Europe is representing itself on television.